Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add question on your Instagram story. It's pretty easy and simple. Before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. Okay guys, first of all, launch on your Instagram application. Guys, it's pretty easy and simple add questioning on your Instagram story. So stay watching carefully. If you miss any step, you don't understand anything. Okay, here you can see a option your story. Just tap on it, and now go to here. You can see a option gallery. Just tap it, and now you can select any photo from here. Randomly I select a photo, and then tap on this here. Look at this. Here you can see a option for sticker. Just tap it, and then you get a option. Here you can see question option here. Just tap it, and now you can type something here like that. Do you love me? Then ask. Okay, now it's finished, and after that you need to tap send to. Just tap send to, and now here you can see option your story. Just share it, and then done. It's uploading now. That's it. It's pretty easy and simple. So in this way you can add any question on your Instagram story very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.